Which of the following statement is always true? Which of the following statement is always true? जिसको समझ में आ जाए वो एक्सप्लेन कर दे, ठीक है?
C.
See how. Wrong है. Anyone else?
B.
B.
Number between X and Y. How
B,
you can?
sir.
Huh?
B.
B.
Yes, B is the correct answer. If
B.
you want
B.
the number between two numbers, you have to add it and divide it by 2. 3 and 5. What is the number between 3 and 5? It is 4. How you know? 5, it is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay?
Sir, why you take only odd numbers, sir?
Any number.
Sir, once you can take 2 and 2.
Nothing to do with in between.
Sir, you can take 6 and 4, sir.
6 and 4. Take 6 and
Yeah.
4 and 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So, if you divide for rational number, for natural number,
10 by 2.
for natural number, it is
5.
limited. Okay? For natural number, it is limited number which can be in between two numbers. Okay? For natural numbers, it is limited numbers. Like in between 1 to 10, how many numbers are there? So you can say 8. But if I ask how many rational numbers are there in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay? So, how many numbers? Anyone? Just now you have answered. Finite. Who will tell me that number in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? Anyone? Just tell me, anyone?
Five, sir.
5? No.
4.
No. In between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, it will be a rational number. Pure rational number.
Sir, 2.
No. These both are less than 1.
No, sir. 5 by 6.
This
5 by 6.
both numbers are less than 1. Okay? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the total of this. 5 by 6 is total of these two rational number. If you add these two rational number, you will get 5 by 6. And what I said, you have to divide it by 2. 5 by 6 divided by 2. So what you will do? 5 by 6 multiply by 1 by 2 by 1. Or 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. 5 by 6 multiply by 1 by 2. So it will be 5 by 12. Okay? Your concept is not clear. Concept is not clear.
Not clear.
Okay. Okay, so again I will explain you what is the in between two rational number. So what is the method to find in between? Whatever you find in between two numbers, you can add both and divide it by 2. Same, you find the median. If you remember, you have find the median of numbers. If you get two numbers in the between, so what you do, you add this 2 and divide by 2. You remember in median. In median 1, 2, 3, 4. How you find the median of this data? How you can find the median of this 4 data? Anyone?
Add.
Yes?
First add this 4 and divide by 4.
No. That is not median. That is mean. All you forget. That is called mean. I am asking median.
Sir, we should arrange in ascending order and we should take middle number.
Yes. So how you can take middle of this? You have 4 data. How you can take middle of this? In middle you will get 2 numbers, 2 and 3. Then what you will do?
2.
No.
2.5.
Huh?
2 by 5.
3. 5.
In between 2
2
and
by
3.
5.
In between
2 by 5.
2.5.
Not 2 by 5, 5 by 2.
Sir, 2.5.
Yes, 2.5 or 5 by 2, both are same. Or you can say 2, 2.5. These three, all three are same. These three, all three are same. 5 by 2, 2 mix 1 by 2 or 2.5. All three are same. So you have to add this both and divide it by 2. Simple. It's so simple. Why you forget? Don't forget this mean median mode. Okay, one question is fixed. Okay, in the similar way, you can find the rational number which is between two rational number. Okay, these are two rational number, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, and you have to find the middle one in between two
Sir,
rational.
there are infinite rational numbers.
Hmm?
Sir, there are infinite rational numbers between
Yeah.
any two rational number.
I am saying that infinite. There are infinite rational numbers, but there is only one number which is in between two rational numbers. Only one number. There is only one number which is between,
Yes, sir.
middle of these two rational number. In between. What is the meaning of in between? Middle one. Yes. How you can find middle one? Add this both. How you can add?
5 by 12.
Yes. If you add, you will get 5 by 6. Okay. If you add this, you will get 5 by 6, and you have to divide it by 2. Okay, divide it by 2, but if you multiply, it will go downside 1 by 2, so it will be 5 by 12. So this is the middle one. 5 by 12 is that rational number which comes in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Very simple. आया समझ में?
यस सर
बहुत धीरे बोल रहे, नहीं समझ में आया लगता.
आ गया
ओके.
क्या होता एग्जांपल
हम्म.
क्या होता एग्जांपल भी दे सकते हो
तेज बोल यार, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत स्लो आती है सूरज.
एग्जांपल दे सकते हो सर
सबको स्लो आता है.
सबको स्लो आता है. स्लो ही बोल. क्या एग्जाम्पल, क्या बोल रहे एग्जाम्पल?
एग्जांपल देके देखो
एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ, चलो कोई भी बताओ. ओके, फंडा क्लियर होना जरूरी है भाई. 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. What is the in between number?
$29 by 42. 29 by 42.
Okay, I'll check it. So what is the total? If you add this both, 7 3 are 21.
29 by 21.
Okay, 14 plus 15, that is 29 by 21. 29 by 21, then you have to multiply 1 by 2. Okay, so 29 by 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 42. Very good. Yes, it is correct.
Sir, why again to multiply with 1 by 2?
Yeah, multiply it 1 by 2. See,
Because here
dividing by
X
2
plus-
or multiplying by 1 by 2 is same. Okay, if you want to divide anything in half, you have to divide it by 2, or either you can say you have to multiply by 1 by 2 half. Okay, if you want to divide anything by 3, you can multiply it by 1 by 3. Okay, x plus y by 2 is a rational number. Which is the answer between x and y? Okay,
yes sir, just a big here.
is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, question
Yes,
number
sir.
23. Between two given rational numbers, we can find infinitely many rational numbers. Clear?
यस सर
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, this is the question. That is the question. Yes. Which of the following is an example of distributive property of multiplication over addition or for rational number? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Which one?
A.
Option A is correct answer. Okay. Why?
Sir, because they're multiplying 2.
A.
Yes, they are multiplying 1 by 4 with 2 by 3 plus 4 by 7. So
Yes,
one
sir.
time you have to multiply by this, and second time you have to multiply by this. Okay, so
Sir,
minus 1 by 4 is multiplying with 2 by 3, and again minus 1 by plus this sign will come. Okay, in between this, and minus 1 by 4 again multiplying this with minus 4 by 7. So it is clear. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Here, what is the problem in B? Minus 1 by 4 is see the minus is removed here, so this is not correct. Okay, What about C? Minus 1 by 4. So here it's not multiplying. So this is 2 by 3 only. You have to multiply 2 by 3 by minus 1 by 4. Okay. And in D, D also same. Just this is minus. Okay. So this is not clear.
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन मतलब
Multiplication over addition means this. Means this one. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is over addition. Multiplication over addition. Multiplication over subtraction. Okay, this is multiplication over subtraction. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 4s are 8. It will be minus 2. Okay, this is multiplication over subtraction. This is multiplication over addition. Okay.
ओके
Okay, question number 21. Yes, this is for class 6. The reciprocal of this is. Anyone fast? 3 second question. 7 3 is 21. Plus or minus? This or this? This or this?
C.
C. Yes, C is the correct answer. Why? Because why C? Reciprocal. This is not
Minus.
correct. This one is correct. Reciprocal means 21 will come downside, not minus plus. Reciprocal,
Yes, sir.
additive, multiplicative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, multiplicative inverse. So this is plus 21 and it will come downside and 104 will upside. Okay. So 21 is
Yes, sir.
A. 20. Question number 20. If y be the reciprocal of the rational number x, yes, class 6, concentrate. If y be the reciprocal of rational number x, then the reciprocal of y will be
C.
This one?
C.
I think it is wrong. See, 1 by 2. If you take 2 by 3, so this is x. Okay. And y, what is it saying? Y be the reciprocal of x. If it is x, then what is y? Y is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2 is y. Then if it is asking, then the reciprocal of y is what? Only x. If y is reciprocal of x, then x will be reciprocal of y. Simple.
यस सर
ट्रिकी है, लेकिन एक बार करके रखोगे ना पहले से तो इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा.
सर हम उतना देर से बोल रहे थे इसका आंसर, मगर मेरा माइक ही ऑफ था.
Bad luck.
Okay. So now question number 19. Yes, the reciprocal of any rational number p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is.
क्यू बाय टी
Class 6. Q by p. Okay. Q by p. Or 0.
सर सी 0.
Why 0?
Sir, C 0.
Why? It's not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. So why C? Simple.
Q is never 0.
Q by
One.
P. Q
One.
by P.
It is asking simply
Is equals to के बाद स्लैश किया हुआ, उसका मतलब not equal to 0.
the reciprocal of any rational number
Q
p
by
by
P.
q. It is asking reciprocal of this number. Q by p. It's simple question. Don't think over. This is very simple question. It is asking reciprocal of p by q. That is
Yes, sir.
q by p. And these are the conditions that you have to put wherever you write. You have to put this condition. If you write any rational number in variable, variable means what? P and q are variable. You don't know what value can you put. Any value you can put p and q. So if you put 0, then what? It will be not defined. That's why they have to put this condition q is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. They always have to give this condition. Anywhere if you write a by b, so you have to write here b is not equal to 0. If you write r by s, you have to write s is not equal to 0. Never equals to 0. Any number, any rational number, if you write in variable x by y, then you have to write y is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. You must write this after any rational number in variables. Okay. Yes. Next question. Question number 18. The reciprocal of 0 is Class 6?
0. C.
One.
Wrong.
C.
One.
C.
One.
The one.
Wrong. Not defined.
Not
Zero.
defined.
The one हुआ ना.
Not defined. Reciprocal of 0.
कैसे वन हो जाए?
Reciprocal of 0 means what? 0 by 1 is there. So 1 by 0, it is not defined. You cannot define 1 by 0. 0 cannot be in the denominator. Okay? 0 cannot be in the denominator of any fraction number, any rational number, any fraction. Okay? That's why it is not defined. Clear to everyone? Clear?
Zero का
Yes, sir.
बोलो सूरज बोलो क्लियर बोलो क्या बोलो
0 by 1.
0 by
0 by 1.
0 by 1 is defined, no problem in this. 0 by 1 is defined, but if you take reciprocal of this 1 by 0, it is not defined. Still it is not defined. You cannot put 0 in the denominator. Okay? In mathematics it is not defined.
Not a rational number.
Not possible up to now. Maybe in future it is possible, but still up to now it is not possible. Okay? Yes, question number 17.
Okay.
One.
Sir, not defined.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is the
Minus 1.
Why not defined? Why not defined? Minus 1 by 1. If you reciprocal, it will be minus 1. There are two numbers which has same reciprocal. Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1 has same reciprocal. Minus 1 has same reciprocal. Minus 1 and 1 has same reciprocal as 1. Okay? Question number 16. Class 6. Very important for you. And 8 also.
1.
Yes, question number 15. Clear, everyone? It is clear. These are conceptual questions. They can use it this question in any other question. Okay, they can make twist. And class 6 they can get directly these questions. And for 8, 9, it will be included in another question. Okay. Yes, question number 15. If x be any rational number, then x plus 0 is equal to
X.
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 It is equal to x. If you add 0, nothing will happen. Okay. Yes, question number 14. A multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 7 is. This is very important for
7 by minus 8.
very important for class 6. Very important.
7 by minus 8.
Multiplicative inverse is 7 by
7 by minus 8.
minus 8.
7 by minus 8. C.
Minus 7 or 7.
Yeah, minus 7 by 8 or 7 by minus 8, both are same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The reciprocal and multiplicative inverse is same.
Same. Yes, question number 13. Minus of minus x is same as minus of minus x is same as x.
1 by x.
Minus into minus is plus x.
X.
Okay.
Sir, minus 1 into
Minus
7 is
1
equal
into
to
minus x is plus x. Simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Question number 12. यार अभिजीत खटर कर क्या कर रहे हो? अखरोट तोड़ रहे हो क्या?
The 21 by
B.
To get the product 1 we should multiply 8 by 21 by what? Its reciprocal.
21 by 8.
C.
21 by 8. C. Very good. Yes, 11. If x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x, which is rational number, then 0 is called
D.
Additive inverse of X.
Additive inverse of x.
B.
additive identity.
B.
D.
Inverse.
A.
A.
D.
A.
Zero.
Additive for addition of rational numbers.
I think it is O.
C.
0. It is 0. X plus 0 is equal to
A.
x plus x is equal to x, which is rational number. Then 0 is
A.
called what? Identity. 0
D
is
for addition of rational numbers. A.
Yes, this is
Yes, sir.
identity for
Yes, sir.
addition. A is the correct
For
answer.
example, x 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1.
Yes, 0 is simply 0 is identity for addition and 1 is identity for multiplication. 1 is identity for multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10. Multiplicative inverse
Add 0
of
to any
an
number.
number.
सब चीज माइक ही पे कर रहा है.
फूक रहा है माइक.
सही बोला. हम भी कर सकते हैं.
कौन है?
Dina. Dina, you want to go out of this class?
Dina is feeling boring, so he's trying to do something interesting.
Oh.
Yes. Something unique.
But what he's trying to do, it seems as
Yeah.
Okay, question number 9. हो गया ये? Multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is?
negative inverse of a negative rational number is a positive rational number.
Hmm?
1.
What?
The
A
negative.
positive.
The negative. The
अरे
negative.
भैया याद रखो ना चीजों को. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में कुछ भी नहीं होगा. बस ऊपर का नीचे आ जाएगा, नीचे का ऊपर आ जाएगा.
1.
The negative भी होगा.
नेगेटिव
One, one.
पॉजिटिव से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. There is nothing to do with negative and positive with the multiplicative inverse. Just numerator will come to denominator and denominator will go to numerator. Okay? Additive
Yes,
inverse.
sir.
Yes, additive inverse में है उसका लेना देना. Okay, the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19 is.
D. Minus
7 by
19 by 7.
अरे भैया
7 by 9.
B.
confuse
7 by 19.
don't confuse.
अभी ये हालत तो एग्जाम में तो
एग्जाम में तो और
मट्ठा हो जाएगा.
एडिटिव इनवर्स से माइनस हट जाता है.
सिंपल ये याद रखना, एडिटिव मतलब साइन चेंज होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव मतलब उल्टा हो जाता है.
Yes, you are right. Yes. Question number 8.
C.
One.
C.
C. C.
What is the identity
C.
for the
One
multiplication?
is the identity
C.
for multiplication of fraction.
C. 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 C.
The identity for multiplication of rational numbers.
C.
The identity 0 is what? Question number 7.
Yeah. Yeah.
The identity for addition of the rational number.
B.
Yeah.
0 is the identity for addition of rational numbers. Okay. Okay. Yes. Which of the following expressions shows that?
There we are going backwards.
Yes, backwards. Which of the following expressions shows that rational numbers are associative under multiplication?
Associative मतलब ब्रैकेट इधर उधर बस.
Yes, association. Association.
सर ए
A. A.
सर यही सही है. बाकी सब में साइन चेंज कर दे रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Jagat, place will not change. Okay, place should not change.
Yeah.
Neither sign nor place.
2 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So first here, then bracket with these two, here these two. So it is correct. And what is the problem with the others? We will check. Okay, what is the problem with
Sign
And the
problem.
second one problem is
minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7? This is the place of this is changed.
Change the time.
Commutative is this there. Okay, so here it is commutative.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is wrong. And what about here? 2 by
Hello.
3, 3 by 5. It is changed. This came this side. Okay, 3 by 5. Okay, no place change. In D, 2 by 3. So again, this is changed. This place is interchanged. So this is wrong. Okay. Yes, question number 5. Minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7. This is an example to show that.
That it is commutative.
Rational number are closed under addition. Rational number are addition to rational number is commutative. Rational number is associative.
That it is showing that addition of rational numbers is commutative.
Is
So it is commutative.
Yes.
3 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 3.
yes.
C.
Interchanging. Place is interchanging. So this is
Only place is reversed.
okay. Yes. Question number 4. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is
Sir,
not?
D is wrong. Rational numbers are not
D.
closed under
D.
division. If we divide the rational number with the rational number, it is not necessary that a rational number will come.
What happened?
Yes. Question number 4. Which of the following is?
It will be.
Which of the following is not?
It will be D. Rational numbers are closed. Not close under divisor.
Sir, 4D.
Closed under addition, it is correct. Rational number are
Yeah.
closed under subtraction.
Sir, in subtraction also it is correct. Multiplication is also correct. Division is wrong.
But in division it is not correct.
Okay.
Sir, because if we divide a rational number with a rational number, it is not necessary that only rational number will come.
Due to this 0.
Yeah.
Only due to 0.
3 divided by 3 is equals to 0.
What?
No, 3 divided by 0 is equal to
3 divided by 0. 3 divided by 0
staff is getting.
is not equal to this one. This is not defined.
Oh, sorry, it is equal to 1.
Yes, 3 divided by 3 is 1.
Yeah.
Yes. Question number 3. Yes, question number 3.
3 divided by 1 by 3 is equals to 0.
Okay.
Not.
ये हो गया नहीं हुआ अभी 3?
What the?
क्या होगा? Rational numbers are closed under. Yes, question number 3
Sir,
cancel.
this shows that rational numbers are closed under addition.
3B. Rational number are not closed under addition.
Huh?
Rational numbers are
3A, 3A.
Yeah.
why not closed?
B ना होगा.
Sir, A होगा.
Rational numbers are always closed under addition. It is universal truth.
Yes, sir.
It cannot be wrong. Rational numbers are not closed under addition. It cannot be right.
So whether the calculation is done right or wrong, but rational numbers are always closed under
It is
addition.
closed under addition. So this is
It
closed,
does not
But
depend
in-
upon calculation.
it is closed under addition. Why? Because this is rational number, this is rational number, this is also rational number. If you add a rational number with another rational number, you will get the rational number. This is what closed under addition it is said. Okay, closed under addition. This is the meaning of closed under addition.
Yeah.
Rational number are closed under multiplication. This is
So
correct.
that if we add a rational number with a rational number should come.
This statement is correct, but it is not shown here. Okay, this statement is correct, but it is not shown here. Okay? Statement ये सही है.
Yes, sir.
सही है statement, but यहाँ पे दिखाया नहीं गया. ये क्या पूछ रहा है? What is shows here? This shows that what it is showing that rational number closed under addition. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. B. P and Q are integer and Q is not is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. B answer.
a number of the form.
Sir, if P and Q are integers only if Q is not equal to 0. Sir, 2B is correct.
P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Yes. A number which can
Rational number.
Q where P and
Rational number.
Q are rational number.
सर पूरा राम कथा खत्म हो गया पूछता है राम कौन
Integer.
उल्टा जा रहा है ना?
Integer, sir.
Okay. Integers कौन है भाई?
नया आदमी
A number which
Yeah,
can be
P
expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are integers, are called integers. Already P and Q are integers, but if you put
P
this,
and Q are
this form, if you put these two integers in this form where Q is not equal to 0, then it is not a rational number. Okay.
Sir, every number in this universe is integer.
No.
natural number.
Every number is a number. Every number has been divided into two numbers, rational and irrational.
Yes, sir, they are subdivided into rational, natural, whole.
Every number,
Natural whole integers.
every number other than irrational number is a rational number.
Yes.
Every number
So
which
can we say that all numbers are?
not all. How you can say all?
Sir, 5 under square root is a irrational number.
5?
Yes.
Under square root.
Yes. Because under root 2, this is irrational number, and whatever is added to irrational number is an irrational number. What is multiplied by irrational number is an irrational number. This total will become irrational number. Okay. If you add 5 plus root 2, then this also irrational number. 5 minus root 2.
The 5 under root 4 is a rational number.
Yes. 5 under root 4
Oh,
is 10.
yes.
5 under root 4 is 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब समझ आया परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है इसलिए वो इंटू हो गया
Numbers.
1,
1.
One.
Sir, ये direct
One,
question है.
one, one.
Sir, ये direct question.
एक.
One is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity.
Yes, 2018 में क्या पूछा है? Question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3. Yes, which of the following numbers are in a standard form? Which
Sir, हट गया.
standard form
आ गया.
कौन सा है?
Sir, B है standard form में.
B.
71 नहीं कटेगा किसी से, ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर है.
Yes sir. 27 और 48 कट जाएगा 3 से. 24 और 52 कट जाएगा. 28 और 105 कट जाएगा.
And question number 3, what should be added to this to get this? ये 9th का ही है ना ये क्वेश्चन? Yes, 9th का ही.
ये सर पॉलीगन हम लोग ने नहीं है रेगुलर पॉलीगन.
What should be added to this to get this? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में अगर फंस जाओ ना तो सीधा ऐसा करना है. What should be added into
Minus 29.
to get 3?
Minus 29 divided by 21.
Minus 29 by this one. So for this you have to subtract like this, 3 by 2. So what you are getting from that, you have to subtract this. That means minus 2 by 3 minus of minus 5 by 7. Okay. So 7 3 is 21. 3 7 7 to the minus 14, and this one will be plus. Okay. 7 3 is 5 3 is 15. Wrong.
1 by 21 ना.
1 by 21. अब जब मैंने कर दिया तब पूछ रहा पीयूष. अच्छा. Minus will be converted in plus. Why? Minus minus plus. इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन गलती होती है एग्जाम में, ठीक है. So be aware of this traps. Okay, 2020 का यही होगा. 2020 में है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1.
कहाँ है?
Yeah. The value of this
इसका तो याद ही हो गया है.
simplify में भी आ जाएगा, ये simplify में भी आ जाएगा.
हिंदी होगा इसका आंसर.
हाँ ये